Well, hello my friendly shoppers and welcome back to my channel. To all my returning viewers and subscribers, welcome back and thank you for taking the time and watching my channel today. And if you are new here and shopping is what you love to do, just like what I love to do, you want to hit that subscribe button because we love to do this every day too. So as soon as we walk up to the front, they got some palm trees here for sale. Now I get those for you from birds. They plant those naturally in my backyard. Now these pansies, those are really beautiful. I love the purple pot, $22.88. So we're gonna definitely check out some more in the garden area. Taxes done where you shop. Hey, that's a great convenience. The taxes are coming up on April 18th too. Now I love this place. One of the reasons I love this particular store is that everything is enclosed too. So it's, you do have to kind of go in, but it keeps everything a little bit cooler. And this is what's caught my eye for $3.97. There's a bruschetta. You don't have to chop up the onions or anything. So this is like a quick little snack, and grab some Parmesan cheese and some bread and you have it all ready for you. Now, here are the bag of cuties. Cutie season is coming up. So you could choose, there's a couple different brands you'll see at stores. Cuties or Halos too. And lemons for 62 cents each. That's actually a pretty good price. Of course, I always like to check out the pizzas. The pizzas have gone up. That used to be just $5 for the flatbread. They've gone up to $5.50 too. So just like kind of like everything else, the prices are increasing as well. Now, I have the sweet tooth. I love checking out all the cakes and pastries. This is a nice one. How convenient is this? You have 4 different cakes in one cake. I like that they did this option because, sometimes if you're having a little get together, there's going to be that one person who only likes chocolate, that one person who only likes lemon. I mean, here you go. You have the mixture of cakes right there, only for $6.92. That is a really great price. Now, if you don't want a mixture, you want the honey bun cake. That sounds really good. And we have a lemon cake. What is this one? I'm having trouble reading that. Okay, the triple chocolate cake. Trouble chocolate is actually really accurate. Now, chocolate cake bites. I love the little bakery department in Walmart. It's really dangerous, but it all just looks so tasty. It's got something for everybody too. If you like chocolate, if you like vanilla, if you like lemon, they are going to have it all. They have banana as well. And what else will they have? Cinnamon, blueberry, any kind of little cakes that you're wanting. Yum. And look at this cake, $4.98 for this cute little chocolate cake. How adorable is that? If you want to brighten up somebody's day, you have chocolate, you got vanilla over there with the sprinkles. Which one is this one? Ooh, carrot cake. Totally forgot about carrot. It is carrot cake season too. For $5 basically, it was $4.98, but kind of rounding up to $5. These are really great. Or, if you have a small, we're a family of 3. That is a nice little treat. That'll actually go treat us for about 2 days too. Which one is, red velvet cake. This is one of my favorites. Coconut cake. Oh, that, I don't know what it is about coconut. I'm just obsessed with it too. But look at all these, like I said, all these beautiful cakes. And here's the potpourri of cake. You have what we have here. So it looks like almost a strawberry, carrot. Ooh, a German chocolate cake. That has coconut in it too. And it looks like just a chocolate cake. Yum. And like I said, for $12.98, this is some great prices here too. Okay, we have more desserts. There are so many good desserts here. New York style cheesecake. Oh, yeah, I love cheesecake. Yeah, I'm gonna have to move away. Let's go to the produce. Ooh, eggplant. Oh, look how pretty. I love how beautiful this purple is. Eggplant, I make it like a chicken parmesan. I bread it with some tomato sauce. Ooh, and a little cheese on top. Yum, yum. But they're always so pretty. Oh boy. Okay, the corn for 50 cents each. Yeah, I can see how they are picked out. everybody's picking over the corn. Yeah, because I saw them at Aldi. There were 4 of them for $4.50. So 50 cents is really good deal. Ooh, the green beans look really nice. And how much are those? $1.72 a bag. That is actually a really good price. I always like to see like the fresh produce. Asparagus, yum, $2.48 a bunch. That is good price too. You have your bell peppers. I love like the red, yellow, and the orange. The cauliflower. Everything looks really tasty here too. Yeah, I always like to buy the produce fresh like that. You can kind of pick out exactly what you want too. Oh, check out these artichokes. These are massive, $2.74. Okay, yeah, I can see why. These are huge. Now we're gonna pop over to the freezer section. In this particular store, some stores like the freezer section is the back. This one is right there in the front, right behind the produce. Now, I was at a friend's house and they cooked this for me. I kind of went over there for a little breakfast and a little coffee, and I really like these, so I'm gonna pick those up for myself. I love like breakfast potatoes, hash browns. Those are always so good. We love making like breakfast for dinner. It's one of our favorite things too. So just kind of check it out. The store seems really full, which is great. Of course, you know, I'm making tacos this week, so I want to try these little baby. Oh, how cute are these? So I'm gonna grab some of those. And ooh, for $10.98, the Crown Royal, the whiskey lemonade. Oh, hello. These are in cans. It's so funny how they're putting all these drink mixes in cans. Almost looks like a soda, but boy, this is not a soda. 4-pack. That it looks really interesting. I mean, you think about it, it's like 4 for $10. It's only $2.50 a drink. Maybe one of these days I'll grab that. Now, I have been on such a iced tea kick, so I definitely gonna try one of these iced teas. You know, sometimes I'll buy it already mixed in a bottle, but sometimes you just kind of want to, I like that they have these cold brews already, so you don't have to have hot and then wait for it to get cold, automatically there. And here's some more, the cold infused. This is, I'm glad they're doing it. Of course, they're not exactly the cheapest, but I mean, these look like they're almost like in a powder form too. But you have watermelon and mint. What else are some of these flavors? Strawberry lemon, always a good classic. Here's some more of the cold brew teas, and there's some really great prices too, so you could definitely grab a few and try them out. Now, I have been in a mood for a good chai tea. I sometimes will get these at a coffee shop. One of my favorite coffee shops actually shut down, so I'm gonna have to try it myself. I mean, cinnamon, cardamom, cloves, and ginger, those are some of my favorite spices too, so I am going to grab that. Now you see this one is all artificially flavored. I don't think that was going to be for me. And of course, looking at all of these different, what are these, coffee creamers? So what is this one? Oh, this is a keto coffee creamer. The MCTs, I'm hearing a lot about those too. And sometimes on these, I'm kind of checking out some of the ingredients, checking out some of the sugar. There are so many different coffee creamers nowadays for everything. Cold brew, this is always a plus. My husband is he doesn't like hot coffee, but he loves it cold. So I'm always making him a pot of coffee, and I put it in a glass pitcher and then chill it for him. Now, this is some of my favorite. This is another chai mix. I think I'm going to try that one too, because a gentleman told me not to get the other tea, so I'm gonna grab that one and some milk with that too. Now, these are my favorite paper towels. It's just the generic Walmart, the Great Value Walmart paper towels. It's so funny. I got these by accident one time in a curbside pickup. They switched it out with another paper towel, so I've liked them. They're even cheaper too. Of course, Schweppes Ginger Ale. That's always a great little drink mixer or drink on its own. So I got that chai latte. You have to mix it with milk. So I'm going to try some Lactaid, the Lactaid milk, lactose-free milk. I have a couple of my viewers really advised that it's a little bit sweeter, so I'm cool with that. And so we're gonna try that. Of course, here's right next to the milk. I used to eat these a lot when I was a kid. $1.14 each. Looks like a lot of people have been buying them. Remember these zingers? That is a raspberry one. The chocolate zingers were my favorite. I used to peel off the chocolate off the top, and then I would eat it. It was like, it was such a kid thing to do. Oh, they had, boy, people are still buying these. I purchased a fruit pie like a few years back to see if it was still the same. My husband and I were talking about it. Ooh, it was so sweet. Now, of course, I'd like to check out the butter, just in case there's like some new butter coming along. Country Crock? Okay, wait, Country Crock is now doing plant butter. You know what? Good for them. They're catching up with the times. No, there's people who like it. Now, here's another one. We've had the cinnamon honey butter, and then we tried the seasoned butter, but the honey vanilla butter, so it's $1.98. That is interesting. Now this stuff is closed up too, so they don't have it really open. You have to kind of go in. So I didn't go in through the glass. An ironing board. We have one over the door. We're not big fans of it. We've had it for the last few years, and we keep talking about grabbing an ironing board. $42.88. I don't know why I was thinking ironing boards were like only $20. I guess it's not too bad of a price, but when you're expecting it $20 and it comes out to $42, like, okay. Now this is cute. This little world. Walmart has so many different items too. I mean, you have your food, you have a little bit of clothes, you have, your pet supplies, and you have your decor. Look at wine o'clock, and this is a magnetic too. Coffee time. That's a cute little sign. And you got like so many decorative items too. Our adventure funds. That is adorable. For $14.97, it's got a little top. Oh, I like how it looks like a little suitcase too. This reminds me of one of my favorite movies at Disney, and I always think of, Adventure Awaits. So cute. Now look at these clocks. Oh, this is kind of like almost kind of like has that steampunk look vibe to it. The wall clock, that is actually really cute. There's one in the back too. Their clocks are really good prices. I mean, it's like about $10. If you're looking for a new clock in a little area, I mean, that is actually a really reasonable price too. What's this one? $10.97. Oh, I like it. It has like the humidity, has the temperature. That's a pretty useful clock right there. Now, of course, we went back into checking out the garden items. Let's see what's new out there. Fire pit. I've been eyeballing a lot of the fire pits. That was only $57. And here's a nice little set. And I mean, look at all the outdoor items. Like I said, we're kind of popping it around the store. This hammock, a hammock for $46. That's not too bad. Just make sure you tie it in the right place. I don't think I have it. Well, I have two palm trees in the back I could tie it with. Now for $149, what is that? Another fire. This is a tent for $115. It's getting that season. Spring break is here. The summer is going to be here before you know it. People are going to start planning on camping. You have, look at this pop-up tent for only $94 to have a nice canopy. And, this is a twin airbed, $7.97. This is something to definitely grab if you having like a little slumber party, some family sleepovers. That is pretty good. Now, if you want something obviously a little bit bigger than a twin size, this one looks like it has an automatic pump already inside. Queen, only $50. $49.88. That is such a good price too. And oh, what did we see? The pizza oven. Now my husband has been shopping for the Uni. This pizza oven is $247. Ooh, it's actually about $150 cheaper too. And it's a 3-in-1. That is pretty cool. I'll see if my husband kind of likes this one, because I like that it has like different items too. Now I'm getting ready for a garage sale. They have these garage sale signs. Look at that. It's already just, put the address in, stick it in the ground, point it in the right directions. A clearance for $1. That is such a great price. I'm going to be grabbing a few of those too. So yeah, with these garage sale signs being plastic, these are going to last for years. So buy a few of them. I mean, this you can't beat this price too. Like I said, they're only $1. You could put them on all the major streets, direct people to your garage sale. Just don't forget to pick them up too. I know that's happened a lot. Now, let's talk about Walmart clearance. This says $99. Now, if you download the Walmart app on your phone and then scan it, you are going to find sometimes you find the same price, sometimes you find it higher. This one is $87. So this is a $12 difference too. So that says $99. The app says $87. And so what I would do is I would do a screenshot on my phone and bring that up and then get the price difference too. I mean, here's another item. So like I said, this is a hot trend to do at Walmart. It's, you know, like some of the Walmart secrets. Here you go. Like I said, grab that Walmart app, download it on your phone, and then here you go, scan it up. Now, sometimes there is a little bit of internet challenges at Walmart. So like right here, I'm trying to pull it up. I'm kind of in the back of the store, and I always know, because sometimes when I go to Walmart, my phone will pop up. It can't find internet. So let's try it again. So we're going to click on the Walmart app. This is very easy to do. And then on top of it, you want to click this little looks like a little square right in the search bar. Keep clicking it. There you go. So you're going to see that's going to come up, and you're just going to find the barcode, and then you're going to scan the item too. So let's go ahead and find that barcode, and boom, it's going to help you as well. And like I said, you want to make sure that internet is working. No matching item found. Okay, so you just keep going too. So this says $67. We're going to scan this item and see what we find. Okay, no matching items found. Well, that's going to happen from time to time. So if you have time, kind of go through some things. Sometimes you could find some real gems here at Walmart too. Now this one says $89. Okay, that's not that's not what we want. So we're definitely gonna go with $67 too. Let's try some other. Now the shoe rack. Okay, this shoe rack says $32.94. There we go, $32.94. Now here's the difference. This shoe rack, let's see what the price says on here. $48.87. So there you go. You want to screenshot it. That is definitely, on the phone, is definitely a better price too. So we have the folding service cart. We're gonna try this. Now this is really nice. $49. Let's see what this, I mean, because sometimes some of these come up really dirt cheap too. I mean, look how pretty that is. So we're gonna scan it, and it is the same price. So everybody, I hope you enjoyed this little Walmart shopping, learning how to find a great clearance items. And like I said, you got time, scan some of those beauties, because you're gonna find some real gems. So everybody, I hope you are having a great day, and as always, I will talk to you later, so take care.